Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss how to fix Instagram thread option not showing. For example, if you click on profile and after that if you click on three lines, then here you can find the option of threads. Basically, thread is an application recently launched by the Instagram, which works as like the Twitter, which means they have launched it in competition to the Twitter. So if you are not showing this kind of option, then what you have to do, you have to simply go to the Play Store and you have to simply install that app, which is a Threads and Instagram app. So after that, what you have to do, you have to simply open and create an account on the thread. And creating the account on the Instagram thread is simple, which means you have to simply connect your Instagram account to the thread and you can easily use the Instagram thread application. And if you are not shown the Instagram thread option in your Instagram, then you have to simply install and create an account on the thread by simply connecting your Instagram account, and in this way you can enjoy that feature without any problem. Hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, kindly subscribe our channel.